Hello, my babies. I miss you. I know by the time I make this video, I'm already posting the half head video, one of two that I made. By the time I post this, it could be my birthday. It's my birthday today because I have just been, like, my 2021 had just, like, ate my butthole and spit it out and ate again, like, 3 million times, and I let it. 2021 was a year of growth, and I don't want to talk about it. I hope you had a happy New Year's. I hope you have a wonderful day today watching this video. I hope that my video helps you dye your hair, or just watching me because you're watching me. But we got my bags of drugs, and it's time to dye my hair. My birthday is coming up. That's why I said February 20th, same day as Rihanna. Not to brag or anything. But that's why I was like, oh, I'm pretty sure by the time I post this video, it'll be my birthday. Hopefully, it'll be the week of my birthday, because I'm posting the split hair video, orange and black, this week, and then the other video, which I say Merry Christmas in like 5 million times, the week, like, by the end of this month. So yeah, but as you can see on the title of the photo, I don't even need like to explain, but I'm about to spend the next 45 to 2 hours taking this color out. I fade as much as I can with just using Head and Shoulders shampoo. As you saw, my hair was like really blue before his photos of it before, so it's not that bad, I think, but I need it to be as light as this to work so I can go ahead and dye it over. But I know if it doesn't get any lighter, it's fine, because we all know in the color wheel that blues cancel out, orange and blue cancel out each other either way. Because remember how I dyed my hair green and I dyed my hair pink? All this, like, the opposite of rainbow cancel out each other all the time, so I'm not worried about it. This side, I'm not worried about that at all because it's more brown. But on the safe side, I'm gonna use both these package, because I got 2 of these. It's also called the Radical Color Remover on bright bold colors. I'm using Developer with this. I'm using 20 Developer to mix this all together and go ahead and start the process of moving this color. Like, I don't know, my period's fucking coming. Oops, did I cuss? I think my period's freaking coming because my body hurts. But after I remove that, I'm also going to dye my hair copper. It's so crazy. I might have screenshot when I had this idea. I've been had this idea since last June, okay? So, like, whenever I dye my hair, like, I have a whole, let's see if I can put, like, a photo up, but, like, I have a whole section of notes of how I want to dye my hair. I even have it for this year, which I'm showing you, because I don't want them to copy me, but I have, like, a list of when I'm going to dye my hair and what colors I'm going to do every month. So every one of mama's dyeing this hair color, like I was saying, and I've been having this hair color in my hair dyeing book in a minute, so I have to do like the red copper, which is fine because I'm pretty sure my hair will still kind of be green a little bit. So it's gonna cancel all the greens, and then on the side, because I want to do a skunk look, so I'm changing up the game. Because everyone and mama want to copy me, I'm gonna go ahead and do like a skunk look, like a big chunk of a skunk look, because my hair is, you know, curly. Like I did last, y'all saw that? Like I did last year, and do a skunk piece right here, and then just dye my hair this shade only. So my hair's gonna be mixed with both of these two, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and just put a skunk piece right here, like on this color only, because I want it to be different. I want it to be like, wow, your hair is all one color. Like, no, shaboosh is not. I'm also leaving tomorrow in the morning. I have to catch like a 5 a.m. flight. I know it's like 6 something at p.m. So I don't have time to do this all day. Legit, I want to just do one process of this and one process of that and call it a day, like everyone else on YouTube be doing. I don't have time to be filming, so come on, Brando. Let's do this shit.
Shit's all being, yeah. Look at my apartment.
Ouch! I got it in my friggin' eye. Thank God for my long lashes because I almost freaking died. I almost freaking died. I'm gonna put this on for only like 20 minutes because 10 and 20 and 30 and 40 developer activates the thing, and this smells like bleach to me, and I'm not bleaching my hair. But you can see my hair get a little bit lighter on the purple side. On the green side is getting a little bit greener, and that's all I really want, to be honest anyways, is to get as green as possible because I don't want to be blue. So I will put this on for 20 minutes after I just keep saturating. And then I'll see you guys when it's all rinsed out. I might have to do a second time, depending on how my hair feels too. Like if my hair feels like spaghetti noodles, I might do it a second time. But if my hair feels pretty good, I might do it a second time. Right now it feels okay. Okay, so I just rinsed my hair out the thing. I put it in for about a good 30 minutes. Because I took 5 minutes to take it out. And I'm not even mad because I don't know if you watched my last video. My hair was actually this color before I actually dyed it. I dyed my hair purple over this. Remember? You can even tell. And I dyed my hair blue over this because this part is white. Remember that shit? Yeah. So I'm not even mad. My hair doesn't feel brittle. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't look like spaghetti, like extra spaghetti. I'm about to put my hair itches. I'm about to put this 2-minute treatment in my hair right now. I will have to do it maybe 2 more times though to get the color back to where it was, which is plain and nothing, because this is strips the color out. I'm not even mad. My hair has a perfect base to go ahead and put the orange, and I know the orange is going to make it all neutralized. So when I take the orange out, eventually my hair will be all blonde. So I highly recommend using that thing. Just remember what hair color you had before you put that thing on, because whatever hair color you had before would be exactly the same hair color. Like I was thinking to take everything out, like start off blonde, but you know, I dyed my hair so many times. Hi. I know my dirty room that I just showed you guys. I'm gonna show you how my hair looked in that lighting, because in this lighting you probably won't see it as much. Yeah, you don't. But like, I love my hair this color. Like I am feeling it. Especially because like on the tips is so light, and like I love that. I mean, look at this. My white side is back. And I love this, but I'm gonna go dye it. My hair is dried, as you can see. It did a lot. My hair is kind of like green. I don't know why it turned green when this side was black and this side was blonde before I even dyed it purple. I know I put like a toner over it, so maybe that's why it's turning green. I don't know. It's gonna fix itself when I put that orange over it, cause you know, like I said, colorway, all that stuffy stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair and dye it. So enjoy this time lapse of that. These are my natural curls. Like, okay, boyfriend. Okay, boyfriend. I see you. Like, he doing his damn thing. He doing the damn thing. Of course, I got dye on my hand, trying to mix it in. Am I surprised? No. That's a tradition to always get dye on my hands when dyeing my hair. That's how it is. So this is the color. Let me flip my camera around. This is the color that I mixed, and this is the other color that I mixed in. I have a little piece right here that I'm gonna dye for like a skunk piece. And then so this is my skunk piece dye, and this is my other dye. So let's get to it. Okay, my bathroom speaks it all. I'm gonna show you how messy it looks on the floor, but I'm all done. I'm gonna let it sit for an hour just because my hair was so green and all the weird colors, and I really want to get an even base and let it evenly dye. So I will show you guys the final reveal. Hopefully I don't have to dye it twice. I might, it looks like I might have to, but it looks like I don't at the same time. So I'm praying it will be the color that I want it to be, as in not green or that other color that I had. I don't know what the color was, but I'm about to show y'all my messy floor, and then I'll show you guys when my hair is all finished. So I have to retouch up my eyebrows because it didn't dye the way I want to. But this is the final result. I like it. I like it. I wonder why a little chunk right here didn't really dye. As you can see, it's kind of like darker. But I like it. especially my roots are really, really pretty. Trying to see and look at the same time. Put you guys right here. Where you work? Put you right here. Ah, much better. Kind of, not really, because like the light goes against you guys. So weird. Okay. There you go. But can I turn the light on? There it goes. I kind of like it. My hair's still kind of soapy right here. That's probably, maybe that's why it's still kind of dark, because it's still kind of soapy. I thought I got rid of, I thought I washed it all off. But I look like a little ginger. I'm about to touch up my eyebrows. Leave it on for like, cause I did the 15 minutes. It didn't really work, as you can see. Like it's still kind of like, it kind of died a little bit, but barely. So I'm gonna do it for like 30 minutes and see if it works. I'm gonna rinse my hair out one more time. I had like a little part right here. Maybe kind of rinse it off all the way because it's still kind of wet. See, maybe that's why. But I like it. Definitely gonna do a touch up because why is still greenish right here. Yeah, I kind of knew that to re-dye it. This side took really well, as I'm seeing and looking around. This side took really well. I think I'm gonna quickly touch up this side to be more greenish, maybe for another 30 minutes. Yeah, I think on this one side. So let me go quickly rinse this off, and then I'm going to separate my hair, find the one that I need to retouch up, put a deep condition in the hair that's fine, and then I'm going to retouch up the hair that isn't fine because I still have a lot of dye. It's only 10ish. I'm not trying to go to bed till like 1 and wake up at 4, have like a 3-hour nap. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm done touching up my stuff. Okay, so I'm going to do a voiceover because I was a dummy that forgot to probably press record or forgot to actually record an end card for this video. But right now I'm just showing you guys how my hair looked. Different angles, different coloring, of course. I actually love this color. I hate how I always respond when I look at the color, because at first I was like, oh, this is how it looks. But then as the weeks and days go on, I actually like it. I just kept this color in for, I think, a month, like almost 2 months, which is like a rare thing for me because you don't always dye my hair. But I actually like this color. It actually looks pretty cute on me. I took a bunch of photos. I even straightened my hair. I went to Kobalt with this color for my birthday, which already passed because I'm late on editing. And I actually twisted my hair with this. I'm showing you photos a little bit while I'm going over this voiceover. Why I thought I was recording a voiceover, and then I actually was, but then I actually didn't because my phone was on storage and I got like 5 seconds of it. So basically, I'm going to go over it one more time. Actually, I'm showing you a piece of my hair that actually kind of turned blonde with the other part that I did. It kind of worked a little bit, but my hair was blue on that side, so it didn't really work. That's why I didn't notice it. But as the time went on, that side of my hair kind of did got lighter, especially in the lighting. It was super cute. I'm gonna, let's see, I think I'm, oh, and then, sorry. And then I'm showing you my eyebrows, which you guys can obviously see what's going on with my eyebrows right now. That actually looked really beautiful. They did grow out naturally. My hair really grows fast, especially when I put Vaseline on my eyelashes and eyebrows. And it actually came out really cute. I'm blowing kisses to you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Love you lions so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, you know, all the YouTube stuff. I guess I'll see you guys later when I dye my hair blonde.